Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed guide on repairing the motor brush of your Conga 4090. This tutorial will walk you through the essential steps to get your vacuum cleaner back in working order. To begin, you will need a few basic tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a soft brush, and isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. Start by unplugging your Conga 4090 to ensure safety during the repair. Next, locate the screws holding the motor housing in place. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and set them aside, keeping track of where each one goes. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the motor housing off to expose the internal components. At this point, it's important to inspect the motor brush. If you notice any debris or wear, use the soft brush to clean around the motor area. For deeper cleaning, apply a small amount of isopropyl alcohol to a cloth and wipe the brush and surrounding areas. Maintaining cleanliness is crucial for optimal performance. If you find that the motor brush is damaged, consider replacing it. You can easily find replacement parts online or at your local hardware store. However, if you're unsure about handling this repair yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get expert advice tailored to your needs. Once the motor brush is either cleaned or replaced, reassemble the motor housing by carefully aligning it with the base of the vacuum cleaner. Replace the screws you previously removed, tightening them securely but not overly so, as this can damage the plastic. After reassembly, it's a good idea to test your Conga 4090. Plug it back in and run a quick cycle to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues or need further assistance, remember that we provide pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about any calls or travel. Finally, if you're considering whether to proceed with repairs or not, we can offer you a quote before repair, helping you make an informed decision. By following these steps, you'll not only save time but also extend the lifespan of your vacuum cleaner. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide helps you keep your Conga 4090 in top shape. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.